had some dinosaurs working.
I'm with you, Wheeljack. We could build robot versions
Autobots, meet Dinobots. Clear this rubble.
and be quick about it.
How much do you use?
And I need it!
That will be all under control. She's destroyed something. To be possible to...
What's that mean, Doc?
Don't get your wheels before your chassis, kid. It still has to turn.
What's the...
One fully functional space bridge coming up.